Welcome to Daily Talk Booster. Here you'll learn 100 easy English synonyms with Hindi meaning and example sentences that will boost your English speaking skills.
Let's begin today's lesson. Happy, joyful, Kush. She felt joyful when she met her friend. Big, large, bada. They bought a large house. Small, tiny, bahut chota. I saw a tiny insect on the table. Fast, quick, Tess. He gave me a quick reply. Slow, sluggish, Dhima. He is sluggish in the morning. Good, excellent, Acha. She did an excellent job. Bad, terrible, Bura. That movie was terrible. Smart, intelligent, Buddhiman. She is very intelligent. Clever, shrewd, Chutter. The shrewd businessman made a profit. Brave, courageous, Bahadur. The soldier was courageous. Scared, afraid, Dara hua. The child was afraid of the dark. Strong, powerful, Shaktishali. He has a powerful body. Weak, feeble, Kamzor. She felt feeble after the illness. Rich, wealthy, Amir. The man is very wealthy. Poor, needy, Garib. The NGO helps needy people. Beautiful, pretty, Sundar. She looks very pretty. Ugly, unattractive, Budsurat. The room looks unattractive. Bright, shiny, Chamakdar. The star was shiny in the sky. Dark, gloomy, Andhera. The room was gloomy. Easy, simple, Asan. This question is simple. Hard, difficult, Katin. The exam was difficult. Begin, start, Shuru karna. Let's start the meeting. End, finish, khatm karna. She will finish her homework soon. Funny, humorous, mazedar. The comedian told a humorous story. Sad, unhappy, dukhi. She looked unhappy after the result. Angry, furious, gussewala. He was furious at the mistake. Quiet, silent, shant. The class was silent. Noisy, loud, shorgulwala. The children were loud. Near, close, pass. The school is very close to my home. Far, distant, doer. He lives in a distant village. Old, ancient, Purana. They found an ancient temple. New, fresh, Naya. I bought a fresh notebook. Tired, exhausted, Takahua. She was exhausted after work. Strong, sturdy, Mazboot. This chair is very sturdy. Weak, fragile, Kamzor, Nazuk. The glass is very fragile. Honest, truthful, Imandar. He is a truthful man. Dishonest, corrupt, Beiman. A corrupt officer was arrested. Right, correct, Sahi. Your answer is correct. Wrong, false, galat. That statement is false. Kind, generous, dayalu. She is very generous to the poor. Rude, impolite, asabya. He was impolite to the waiter. Strong, mighty, shaktishali. The king was very mighty. Weak, powerless, kamzor. He felt powerless to stop it. Hot, warm, germ. The soup is warm. Cold, chilly, tunda. It is a chilly night. Lazy, idle, alsi. He spends his time idle. Active, energetic, skria. The children were energetic. Clean, tidy, saf. Keep your room tidy. Dirty, messy, gunda. His clothes are messy. Brave, bold, sassy. She was very bold in her speech. Afraid, fearful, darahua. He was fearful of losing. Wise, knowledgeable, buddhiman. The teacher is very knowledgeable. Foolish, silly, murk. Don't ask silly questions. Strong, robust, takatvar. He has a robust body. Weak, delicate, kamzor, nazuk. The child is very delicate. Hungry, starving, bhuka. The poor man was starving. Thirsty, parched, pyasa. He felt parched after the walk. Quick, rapid, tease. He made rapid progress. Slow, gradual, dhire dhire. It was a gradual change. Beautiful, gorgeous, khubsurat. She wore a gorgeous dress. Ugly, hideous, bhadda. That building looks hideous. Old, elderly, buddha. An elderly man lives there. Young, youthful, yuva. He has a youthful spirit. Work, job, cam. He got a new job. Rest, relax, aram. You should relax for a while. Run, sprint, darna. He can sprint very fast. Walk, stroll, tehelna. Let's stroll in the park. Speak, talk, bolna. They like to talk for hours. Look, glance, dekhna. She gave a quick glance at the paper. See, observe, dekhna, nirikshan karna. Scientists observe the stars. Help, assist, madad karna. He will assist you in work. Stop, halt, rokna. The train came to a halt. Start, begin, shuru karna. They will begin the match soon. End, conclude, samapt karna. The show will conclude at 9 p.m. Love, adore, pyar karna. Parents adore their children. Hate, detest, nafrat karna. He detests lies. Buy, purchase, kharidna. She will purchase a new dress. Sell, trade, bechna. They trade in clothes. Make, create, banana. She loves to create art. Destroy, ruin, नष्ट करना. The flood will ruin crops. Build, construct, निर्माण करना. They will construct a new road. Break, shatter, तोड़ना. The glass shattered on the floor. Catch, grab, पकड़ना. He tried to grab the ball. Throw, toss, फेंकना. She tossed the paper away. Win, triumph, जीतना. Our team triumphed in the match. Lose, fail, हारना. He failed to complete the task. Ask, inquire, पूछना. He inquired about her health. Answer, reply, जवाब देना. She did not reply to my message. Begin, commence, शुरू करना. The ceremony will commence soon. Finish, complete, पूरा करना. She will complete the project today. Help, support, मदद करना. The teacher supported the weak students. Save, rescue, बचाना. The firefighter rescued the child. Protect, guard, सुरक्षित करना. The soldiers guard the border. Choose, select, चुनना. She will select the red dress. Show, display, दिखाना. The gallery displays art pieces. Hide, conceal, छिपाना. He tried to conceal his emotions. Teach, educate, सिखाना. Teachers, educate children. Learn, study, सीखना. He likes to study new things. Say, speak, कहना. Please speak clearly. Tell, inform, बताना. He will inform me about the result.
Great work! You have just learned 100 useful synonyms. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Daily Talk Booster. Let's improve English together, one word at a time.